Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, service technician for Advanblack. Today I've got kind of a quick video for you. Today I want to show you a few new pieces that we just came out with, and it's all part of that AXION collection. We do have the carbon fiber and colored in shift rods and the mirrors, and now we've got 3 more pieces for you over here on the table. So let's get over here to the table and check them out. So we're excited to release this new part of the AXION series. This is the knurled seat post, the knurled saddlebag knobs, and the knurled vented gas cap. So as you can see here, they do come in different colors. The colored ones will have a two-tone. They will have black on them. As you can see here, this is going to be the red and black, the all black, or the blue and black, green and black, purple and black. I don't have the 2 gas caps here, but they are available. So everything on the table here is CNC cut, super lightweight, super durable, and of course the knurling itself gives it a super aggressive look. We start here with the vented gas cap, and you see it does come with an O-ring. And if you look down inside there, you'll see the vent hole, and on top here we do have the vent coming up, and this vent, the breather right here, allows air in but doesn't allow fuel out. So it's a one-way breather on these gas caps. So I went ahead and opened up the red because this is going to be the parts that we're going to be installing on the Torx 27 Road Glide ST that's on the lift back here. If we look here at the saddlebag knob, you do see it does have the carbon fiber inlay on the end, that super aggressive knurled in right there. So that's going to be your saddlebag knobs, and then of course your matching seat post as well. It's going to have that knurled edge and that carbon fiber. This stuff literally takes a matter of minutes to put on your bike, and it's going to absolutely change the look of your bike. So let's get these over here and get them installed on the Road Glide ST. Now if you have the OEM saddlebag knobs like this, go ahead and remove them. Take your saddlebag off, and we have to change the clip that's on the back side. We take a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to go up here behind this piece. We'll pull the screwdriver out, and then we'll push this down. Just like that. So basically behind there, you're just getting in there, and then you're pressing and pulling down. Pry it out and down. We're going to take our new speed nut, and we're going to make sure the nut's on the back side in here, and we're just going to pop this on. Now it will have play just like that until you get the knob secured. The tighter we turn the knob, the tighter this gets, to the point where it won't move at all. Put your saddlebag back up there. And there's no need to put a washer on there because the washer is built into the knob. You're going to do that same thing to the other side of the bike. One quick note about the gas cap: if you have a side mount gas cap like this, it'll mount right in there just fine. If you have a center mount gas cap, you have to have a low profile dash that just has a hole right there. You can't have the lid style. It has to have a hole right there that will accept an aftermarket gas cap. All these pieces have a hard anodized finish. That's going to help resist against corrosion, scratches, and fading. Now the knurling around the edges here provide a great look, but they also provide extra grip even when you have gloves on. These parts are not caster stamped. Each one of these are precision CNC cut for a perfect fit. All these pieces are CNC cut from high quality billet aluminum. So that's it. 3 more pieces from the AXION collection that are easy to put on your bike but will drastically change the look of your bike. So the first 3 days after this video drops, you can only get these parts through an authorized Advanblack dealer. After that, we'll put links down in the description, so make sure to check the date on the video drop. After that 3 days, you can get them from the Advanblack website, and like I said, we'll have links down in the description straight over to those parts. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Stay tuned for more products coming from Advanblack. I'm going to get out of here, get myself cleaned up. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.